Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Lite Builders. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood, episode 21. We have some great cabinet progress and tile progress. I am so excited to share with you today. Let's take a quick tour. Okay, here we are walking into our master closet, and into the master bathroom. Look at those cabinets there. So we had this extra little alcove here that used to be a cabinet from the hallway side of this wall, and now we've made it into a cabinet on the inside of our bathroom, so our homeowners can use it as a charging station or a storage location for linens, etc. I'm so glad that we figured out how to utilize this space. And then we've got our vanity cabinets in. They're all covered up because our wonderful Dan is over here with Carlson Tile working to do our tile backer board install for this master shower. Our shower pans passed inspection yesterday. Yay! Now we're gonna head down the hall here. They're hanging our barn door on our laundry closet today, getting that all squared away. Now over to the guest bath. Aaron is working here in our guest bathroom today. I need to step away so you can hear me, but he's working in our guest bathroom. The shower pan passed inspection, and he constructed the niche in the brick wall, so now we've got a niche. You got a nice up close and personal with Aaron there. Now I have to walk you into our kitchen. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, there she is. Oh, wow. This kitchen space is gonna be so fantastic, friends. As you can see, here is our picture window that's gonna be behind the hood. Counters on either side. There's our lovely peninsula into that doorway just to open up the space some. As you can see, this girl was tight to start with. She is very slender at 7 feet wide, so we are working our magic to align everything so that all of the appliances, as you can see, are staggered: stove, dishwasher, refrigerator. So we've got a great work triangle, but you've also got a very close proximity to one another, and we wanted to make sure that none of those appliance doors opened into another appliance, because that is the most frustrating thing on this earth. So all of our cabinets are in. We're working. We'll get our countertop templates soon, and then those will go in. This space is almost, she's just going so good. Look at this door. Oh, that paint color is fantastic. This is going to be the exterior trim and fascia color, as well as our doors and our aluminum awnings over windows. It just looks so nice. This is Sherwin-Williams Deep Forest Brown. Has a little bit of a red undertone to it to complement our brick. And then it's in the sunshine, it's black. It looks dark, so it complements our roof. It looks so good, and our stained front door is gonna look so good with it. I'm just so excited about it, friends. This looks such great progress. Great progress today on our process. Oh, friends, thanks for being on this journey with us. This has been a quick tour as we've got cabinets installed, tiles going in, our exterior paint is finishing up. Everything looks so good. Thanks for being here. We really appreciate you joining along for Coffee and Construction in Willo, our historic neighborhood. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.